Alright, hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to install a Flutter script from this amazing website called Canva.net. Before we begin, I would like to do is like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so today we're going to be looking at a FinFunder Flutter application, and this is a multi-purpose HYIP investment crypto thread mobile application. So yeah, you could check out the live preview here as well as the screenshots. So you want to go ahead and look at how it works. So number one says install Firebase, purchase this Flutter application, configure the application, deploy the application. You can go ahead and launch. So I'm going to be walking you through these steps one by one. So that's one we want to do is to purchase this Flutter application. Alright, um, so you just have to come here. We have $39 here. So you add to cart. Yeah, so once you add to cart, this pop-up comes up and it shows you that this item has been added to your cart. And you just want to go ahead and check out here. Go to checkout. So from my end, I have already purchased this script, so there's no need to purchase it the second time. So I'm just gonna skip through this process, but you can go ahead and to check out and proceed with the requirements. Yeah. So the next thing we want to go through is to configure your application. So you have to set up Flutter app according to the provided documentation. So I'm just going to walk you through how to get your tools ready. So the first thing you want is Flutter SDK. So you just want to go ahead and say Flutter install. Just start with Flutter install. Go to Flutter official documentation, so you can check that out from docs.flutter.dev, and you're gonna have the documentation of Flutter here. And so you want to go ahead and choose your development environment. So for my case, it's Mac OS. So you go ahead and do that. And your first step of application, I'll go ahead and choose Android. And the next thing you want to do now is to verify your system requirements. Go ahead to check the hardware requirements and some other stuff like this. Confirm that your system meets all these requirements, and yeah, you're good to go. Alright, so you want to go ahead and look at this development tools here. You see development tools. So this is like Android Studio 8 and the rest. So but we look at that later. So we want to proceed to install this Flutter SDK. So you can install in two ways, either by using VS Code if you already have this installed, or you can go ahead to use the normal download button that we have here. So in my case, I'm going to download the Intel processor, depending on your processor, so you can use Apple Silicon for that. So once you click on this button, your installation is going to begin, and you want to go ahead to handle this directory configuration, where you have to create a new directory folder and put in your installed Flutter SDK into the development group that you just put in. So please go ahead and read through the documentation and set up your path correctly. So proceeding, we want to check out the environment, the development environment that we have, which is like the IDE. So you can either use Android Studio, or you want to go ahead and use Visual Studio Code. So one of the things that you need is Android Studio. So let's just go ahead and go to Android Studio documentation. So you want to just go ahead and say Android Studio official documentation. Okay, will take a little bit of time to load. Right, okay, so it's me too. Alright, so this is Android Studio official documentation. You just want to develop a website. Yeah, so you just want to go ahead and click on this button. So yeah, so the latest version of Android Studio is Mac and you just want to go ahead and download Android Studio Mac. You can just click on the button here, or you go through the read notes and know whether you want to go ahead to download the latest version or you want to download Ladybug, and other ones like that. So yeah, once you do that, go ahead to install it into your local machine, and you'll be good to go. Follow the procedures is straightforward. So the next thing we want to look at is Visual Studio Code. Just want to go to Visual Studio documentation as well. So I'm just going to say Visual Studio, right? So install. So go to code.visualstudio.com, download, and you can download whether you're using Windows or Mac OS. So for our case, it's going to be Mac OS, for your case, you got Windows. So regardless, you just click the button, and the installation is going to begin, and you install it directly into your local machine. Alright, so those are the tools that you need to get started to run this first script um in your local machine, so you can go ahead to deploy and run. So, but let's go into the application proper. So you just want to go ahead and open your preferred IDE. For my case, I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code, and so you just want to open it and open the purchase script, which you just did. So for my case, I'm just going to go to open second. Just pick it up the way. So do well to remember your downloaded path. So what you want to do first when you open this script is to Flutter clean the project. Okay. So you just want to type the command line command Flutter clean, just like this. Flutter clean, and you just want to go ahead and click on enter, and the cleaning process should begin. Yeah, again, it might take a little bit more time, considering that you're just running this application for the first time, so it usually takes a while. So you just want to hand it in and just wait for it to complete. So once that is completed, you just want to go ahead and so the clean project deleted things like your view, your dots, to also deleted some denoted configurations and all that, plugins and dependencies. So you just want to go ahead and update those dependencies and plugins all over again. So you just want to go ahead and type this command in your terminal. So Flutter updates just the way it is. Flutter updates. This is going to re-download those plugins and dependencies to your information. Okay, again, this usually takes a bit of time, so you just want to usually just hang in there. Once it's completed, you just have everything is successful, and all you just want to do now is try to run the application. So see that everything was downloaded. You can have plugins and dependencies all set up. So we want to go ahead and type just the way it is, Flutter run. This is going to run our project just the way it is. So we're going to Flutter run here in order to run our application. So you just give it more time to run. Review process should start in a second. Okay. Page video arts. Okay, so the launching has begun, and you just wanna wait until it's run. Application up and running. Yeah, so this is the application, and that is how you can install Flutter script from Copilot, and the configuration getting on you to installed. Thank you very much, and see you next time.